Hey guys, JSP Gaming here, and today we're going to carry on my tutorials on how to do different scooter tricks. Now I know I haven't done one in quite a while, that's because I've been pretty busy, and the other reason is just I don't really want to do them anymore. I don't really have motivation, but I've got new wheels for my scooter, fast ones. I don't think they make them anymore, but yeah, it's my new setup. I think last time you saw a setup, it was the silver one with the revolution bars, which is too small for me really, so I love that scooter there. It's the best. So yeah, today I'm going to try and teach you how to feeble grind and feeble whip off, feeble 180, feeble bar off. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so there's a couple of things you need to kind of know or learn how to do before you can really do that properly. So one thing is bunny hop quite high, because you actually got to bunny hop onto the ledge, you know. So learn to bunny hop pretty high before you can. So you need to bunny hop, but also be able to bunny hop that height, because you can see the ledge is that high on my scooter, so it's up to the clamp. So if you can bunny hop that high and also go onto something as well, so this kind of thing, so bunny hop into that position. It also helps to learn, it's just on curbs and stuff, hopping into this position. So you hop up, and then just put your front wheel on the actual curb, and the back wheel down, just kind of slide. So you steer with your front wheel, so you keep it controlled with that front wheel, and just steer. So if you steer off, it'll slide off that way. If you steer too far that way, the back wheel will start wobbling. So you've just got to be perfect and in a straight line to do that. So the way I do it, you've got to hop up with the heels towards the metal. So whatever way you put your feet, you hop up with your heels towards it. You can do it the other way, it's just best to learn this way, with the heels towards it. So if I just show you a few more in slow motion, so you can get the hang of it, and then we'll move on to the more advanced stuff, yeah? Alright, so you just saw me do it in slow motion. So basically, what you probably saw was I had my back foot at the back, obviously, and then my front foot, which is normally around this position, actually slid forwards to about here. That's to keep the balance, so it's all in one place. So it's like one at the back, one at the front, so it can balance the deck out easier. So that if you do that, you'll find it a lot easier. It'll take a little bit of time, and it depends on how waxy the ledge actually is, on how fast you'll get it. Because if the ledge is super waxy, it'll take quite a while. Because obviously, you hop on it, it just slides out from under your feet. It'll be a lot harder. So try it on curbs and stuff first, just to get the hang of it, just get the positions right, and then move on to the metal ledges and stuff like that. So I hope this video helped out. I'll put some videos in slow motion of the things you can learn after you've done this, like whip off, bar off, stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped out, give me a like and a subscribe maybe, if you're feeling generous. So yeah, thanks for watching JSP Gaming. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.